Hi everyone from the KMS community. This is Kenneth Tham from Singapore. Today we are going to share with you how can we use STYLECOLOR to camouflage his wisdom. So before we go into the STYLECOLOR, we wash his hair with the ADDVOLUME Shampoo. And then we're going to prep his hair to give his hair a little bit more texture so that it has more volume and lift with root and body lift. Here you have it. We can actually help our clients to camouflage the wisdom of their hair, at the same time style it so that they have a very nice color and texture. This is the way that we can get our clients to look good in under 10 minutes.